Hello everyone, and how are you? How are you doing today? In this video I'm about to make you fall in love with almond milk. So I'll show you how to make it yourself at home for utmost health benefits. Plus almond milk is loaded with so many nutrients, most especially vitamin A for repairing your skin cells, protecting your skin cells from damaging, repairing your skin so it always looks so youthful. Plus it has that good protein your system needs for new cell regeneration. Like, this is so good and so healthy. And the method I'll be sharing with you on how to make your almond milk, you can actually use that same method to make your peanut milk, your tiger nut milk. Like, nut milks are very healthy alternative for cow milk. Dairy milk is your nut milk, and almond milk is so heavenly. This recipe is so yummy. You can have it as your milk, add it in your smoothies, add it in your turmeric milk, like whatever you can use dairy milk to do with. This is the healthy alternative. Like, it is so healthy, plus it will leave your system with a lot of nutrients, healthy fats, like so yummy. So, in order to come up with our almond milk, the first ingredient will be almonds. So, these are almonds. I'll measure 2 cups of almonds. I want to achieve 2 bottles of these. So, 2 cups, and just follow the procedure anyways. So, these are my 2 cups of almonds. Almonds are very good. As I mentioned earlier, they are loaded with a lot of nutrients, and this is a very healthy alternative of dairy milk you can go for, most especially as you age. You want to stay away from dairy cow, since it is made with, like, most dairy cows are injected with hormones that can mess up your system. So you want to go for healthy alternatives like these nut milks. Like almond milk is like the best. If you can't have almond, you can use tiger nut milk to come up with your milk. You can use peanut. Like, yeah, so let me just show you the procedure before I get lost. So what you want to do is we want to get this to be soft, so you can peel off this hard cover out of it, so your milk comes out so clean and white and beautiful. So I want to leave this overnight. So this is evening time. This is 8 p.m. in the night. I'll just do this, like put water to be above the nuts, cover up with a cloth or your foil paper, and just leave it overnight. By the next morning, it will be soft for you now to peel off that back of it, like the hard fiber cover of it, like this brownish part of it, and you just have the nuts. Like, just watch what I will do. So this is it the next day in the morning. This is 9 a.m. in the morning. So you want to strain this water out of it and wash the nuts and transfer in a bowl that you can easily like peel off and get just the nuts. You see what I'm trying to do? Yeah, so you just peel off, and what you need is the actual white nuts inside. You want to peel off the fiber, the back of it, and you don't need it for the milk. If you want to, you can use it with it, but this is so good, most especially when you steep this overnight. It removes certain enzymes out of it that can make it ferment. Like, it is necessary to do this. Like, do it overnight and the next day in the morning, so your milk can last for long and really taste good in the mouth. So I did not want to waste your time. I had to go off camera and peel everything without taking a lot of your time. So this is it. My 2 cups of almonds peeled and washed thoroughly. So the next thing you want to do now is to blend. And these are 2 cups of almonds. So I'll be adding in 4 cups of water to help me really blend this to get the enough juice out of it. So 2 cups of almond, 2 cups of water. So 4 cups of water, 2 cups of almond milk, 4 cups of water. So whatever measurement you're going for, just know if it is 4 cups you of almond, you use 4 cups of water. So this is it. I'm putting, this is the third cup, and this is the fourth cup. 4 cups into 2 cups of almond. So you see, you want to see it this way. So I'll be adding some vanilla for flavor. Like, vanilla makes this thing taste heavenly, most especially if you're someone who loves taste like me. You want to add a little bit of vanilla. If not, you can just blend it and you still have your milk. But vanilla makes this taste heavenly. I wish you try and you get back to me and tell me after adding a little bit of vanilla, like a teaspoon of vanilla or a drop of it. Yeah, so you want to blend to have it really smooth, so you don't strain a lot of the fiber out, the nut out. Yeah, so but even though I'll not be throwing the fiber out of this, like the remaining nuts, the rough part of it, I'll get the milk and I'll still use this fiber out of it to maybe add in my smoothie, my protein smoothie. I can add it in my, when I'm baking my almond bread, whatever. I have a lot of things to do with this fiber, and I'll share with you how I will use this particular fiber. So stick around and I'll show you how I'll use this fiber. So this is it. You want to strain and get your milk. So you are straining because you don't want that roughness in your, even though this blender blends so good, but you still want your milk as smooth in the mouth as possible, so it feels like, tastes like real, like this is just like dairy milk. If you try this, you'll never waste your money on dairy milk, which has been injected with hormones that will mess up your system even. So, and it's so fattening with the bad kind of protein. So this is the healthy protein you want, very healthy. So this is my fiber, as I mentioned earlier. I'm trying to transfer it in this bowl to store in my refrigerator. I can add in my smoothie. I can add it in my, when baking my bread, I can add it in here as my almond. Like, I have a lot of things, and as I promised, I'll show you how to use it. If you are interested, leave me your comments below. So this is my milk. I'm taking it now on slow, so you see the thickness and the richness of the milk. You see, so thick and rich. It will nourish your system with protein to protect your cells from damaging, repairing, and promoting new cell regeneration, so your skin stays always looking beautiful. This is so good. It is rich in vitamin A as well, E as well, to boost collagen production for that youthful radiance to your skin. It contains all the good fatty acids you need to always have that vibrant, plump, beautiful looking skin. So this is a very healthy alternative of dairy, very healthy. You can start training your children to have this instead of dairy. This is so healthy. Like, this is a secret. Start training them, because those hormones, trust me, you don't want your kids to suffer hormonal imbalance, because most of the dairies have, the cows have been sprayed with hormones, and when your kids start consuming them, that is why you see kids of young girls of 18, 20, 21, they start developing fibroids, all those messed up menstrual issues because of hormones from this dairy milk. So you want to go for this healthy, like, protein kinds of milk from nuts. Start training your kids so they can be healthy and not suffer from certain health complications. That is a big secret I'm sharing with you today. Good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.